All right, let's see if we can do a 5-minute project. Sorry about the dog barking in the back. My neighbor's dog is going absolutely bananas right now. Anyway, so let's try to do a 5-minute video. Well, maybe 15. I don't know if you guys remember, but a couple weeks ago I did the daytime running light on the yellow 34. Now at the same time I had ordered in this universal kit that I was talking about. The other light bulb installation kit was a little more specific. Just yesterday the universal one came in, and let me explain a little bit about it. Alright, so this is the universal kit. Daytime running light plus switchback turn signal or whatever. Yeah, you can have it in different colors. I chose to go with the 7440 type, but it'll fit all these other ones too. Let's open it up. Oh, pretty nice. Let's see what we got. What is all this? Oh, okay, this is where it's the 7440 type. So this bulb, this adapter, will plug into the 7440 stock light bulb socket, outlet, whatever. I guess this is some kind of transformer, 50 watt, whatever. And let me untangle this bird nest real quick. But anyway, this is what I got. So this end will plug into the stock factory light bulb outlet, right? And this will give you your turn signal and switchback. This extra wire comes with, of course, extra wire, and it just plugs in, and this is what you're gonna stick on to your power source, as far as if you want it to turn on, if you want the daytime running light to switch on with whatever accessory, with your stock lights or whatever you want, right? So for me, I'm gonna wire this in to the running light, the side marker, and that's it. You just tap right in. The universal kit comes from this piece being soft, squishy rubber, so it should seal really, really nice. And let me see what it looks like with the stock factory. Here we go. So this is the stock factory one, right? Let's take this bulb out. The depth is perfect, so it'll fit right in, and bang, see, look at that, it seals so nice. Wow. So that's pretty much it. The adapter plugs in. You find a separate power source that you want the daytime running light to turn on to. Plug it into anything, any kind of outlet, whatever your hole is, 7440, 1157, or whatever may have you. And I think as long as this adapter piece matches, I guess this is where they actually get the 7440 plug or outlet or whatever. Yeah, so this should only take 5 minutes. Let me just plug this in real quick and we'll see what happens. So I just thought of something. Because I do not need to pull the lights out, because I have the universal kit, I can actually get from behind the light. I can go in back of the light, pop off the factory outlet, plug the new one in, just fish the wires up, and that should be it. So let me show you how easy this is. It's that easy. And this is the wiring kit. I just saw this now. So what it does is, from a single power source now, You plug this in into whatever you want. Then it splits. It'll split into two. So you only have to you only actually just have to tie into one power source. Zip tie everything up. That is it. Let me just plug this in, zip tie it, and show you what it looks like. All right, so let's just test it out and see how it works. I left the wires exposed just so I could see exactly what was going on, and then I'll tuck everything in and zip tie it all up really nice. But let's do a test run and see what it looks like. There you go. 5 minutes. This mod actually took 5 minutes, and you could apply this to any vehicle that has the similar type of, I guess, socket or whatever. If not, you can just splice it in with the hot and ground and figure it out. They do have different kits for different applications, I guess, like the 1157s. Let's see what they have. They have the 7440, 7443, 1157, 3156, 3157, and T15s. There's tons of these things. Got this from eBay. I think it was only $19. Holy cows. Only time will tell how well it is and how well it actually works and holds up. So I may do a review of this, who knows, a month or two from now. We'll see. Maybe someone buys the car. I don't know. Hopefully someone does not buy the car and I get to keep it. So there we go, guys. 5-minute mod just as the sun goes down. Thank you for sticking around with this quick one, and I will see you guys again on my next project.